I did my LLB at the age of 47. When I was working in the field of insurance, banking, finance, I had a habit of reading, not had even now. I have a habit of reading the documents minutely. So I used to pick up points from those documents and have a discussion with my colleagues related to law, related to some terms and conditions. So they always used to tell me that you speak more like a lawyer. Why don't you do LLB? After I became a lawyer, I realized this, that I was born to be a lawyer. No, I am the first generation lawyer, yes. And another very shocking thing, all advocates who have joined our law firm, all are first generation lawyers. All. Nobody has got anybody in their family as advocates. Even my partner, advocate Meeta.
Is that a criteria or?
No, I don't know. Naturally it is happening. And to be very honest with you, thanks to LawSikho, we charge a premium fees. We don't compete with anybody in terms of fees. There was one incident in one of the family matters where I was very aggressive while arguing, and the judge presiding officer took objection. He came up to the extent of saying that I was insulting him. It was a full pack house. That court was fully packed. I am Sandeep Sheregar. I am an advocate and founder of our law firm Bharat Legal Tech. We have our registered office in Churchgate, Mumbai, near Bombay High Court. We have our second office in Vashi, Navi Mumbai, and we practice in various fields of law on the litigation and non-litigation side both. And this is my story. We are a multi-law practice firm. That means we are practicing in various fields of law. We have not restricted ourselves with one particular field of law. We are majorly dealing into insurance, banking, finance. Apart from that, we are also dealing in financial frauds, cyber crime, criminal matters, commercial suits, and writ petitions and other petitions in High Court and up to Supreme Court. Plus, apart from these courts, we are also dealing in tribunal matters, debt recovery tribunal, national company law tribunal, and then appellate tribunals. And plus we are also appearing in various high courts in the country. We are a team of 8 advocates, and since 8 advocates is a good number of advocates working in a law firm, that is the reason we are able to handle various matters. I am the first generation lawyer, yes. And another very very shocking thing, all advocates who have joined our law firm, all are first generation lawyers. All. Nobody has got anybody in their family as advocates so far. Even my partner, advocate Meeta.
Is that a criteria or?
No, I don't know. Naturally it is happening. I started my practice in 2017 as a single practitioner. But I was having a small office then, and gradually it started growing. And then from single practicing person, now today we are a team of 8 advocates. Plus we have a couple of support staff also. Like a court clerk we have, plus we have many associates also. The growth has happened in such a manner that as I started practicing, whatever income I earned, I started investing it back into my practice. I took minimum income home because that was my thought. I should establish a law firm. And eventually my partner, advocate Meeta Rudani, joined me. And then we started recruiting more and more people. We take interns regularly for a month or 2 months. Basic idea to take the interns is to, enhance their skills, employable skills. Like LawSikho always talks about industry-specific skills. So this I have noticed very much. Till the time I was not associated with LawSikho, I was not aware about that industry-specific skills. After we started recruiting interns and fresh law graduates, we came across a lot of hurdles also, because these people whom we recruited, they were not aware what to do practically. It is systems failure to begin with. After that, a lot is on them as well. Blame is on them as well, because they don't take the initiative to learn the skill. Actually my education is staggered, meaning I have not pursued my education continuously due to some reason. I did my 12th. After that, I took a drop from the college, and then I started working. Then I completed my BA by correspondence. Okay. After completing my BA, I started working in various companies, sometimes as a sales executive, marketing executive. And then I came into insurance, banking and finance field. There I started working, and there I acquired various courses I did. I acquired certificates in insurance, and then in banking, and then mutual funds, stock market related courses. All these things I did, and eventually I came into law field. I did my LLB from Tilak Maharashtra Vidyapit in Kharghar, and after my LLB, immediately I started my practice because I did my LLB at the age of 47. I took up lunch. I said, let me see whatever happens, I will face it. That was my resolution. I was very, very resolute that come what may, I will practice right from day one. And I have been fearless. In any court, wherever I go, I have been fearless. I put across all the law points, but at the same time, I maintain the dignity of the court. I respect the judges. I do all those things, but at the same time, I am very fearless. I put across all the law points. There was one incident in one of the family matters where I was very, very aggressive while arguing, and the judge presiding officer took objection. He came up to the extent of saying that I was insulting him. It was a full pack house. That court was fully packed, and I am habitual to speak loudly, like the way now I am speaking. I am louder in the court. Automatically it happens, and we have been told that advocates should speak clearly and loudly so that everybody can listen. So I was doing that, and he felt it offending. Maybe he felt that I was arguing so loudly. So he must have felt offended. So he raised this question. The moment he said that, immediately I apologized unconditionally. I tendered my apology. I held my ears like this, and I tendered my apology, but I didn't feel bad or I didn't feel low, because maybe I must have done it in the flow of argument. When I was working in the field of insurance, banking, finance, I had a habit of reading, not had, even now. I have a habit of reading the documents minutely. So I used to pick up points from those documents and have a discussion with my colleagues related to law, related to some terms and conditions. So they always used to tell me that you speak more like a lawyer. Why don't you do LLB? So people kept on encouraging me. I said, okay, let me do it. So I did my LLB. And after doing my LLB, I thought during those years that it is better that I should practice in the field of law. So I switched from insurance, banking, finance. I came into law practice. Few people discouraged me that why are you leaving your settled field. So many years, more than 20-25 years into the field of insurance, banking, finance. But I said I will take a chance. And that chance turned out to be a good opportunity. After I became a lawyer, I realized this, that I was born to be a lawyer. Okay. So that time I was not expecting anybody to give me a big salary because I am a fresher. In that field of law, I was a fresher. So I thought that I will pretty much do my own practice and try to earn. And before starting the practice, I had all the basic skills. I was very good in computers, so I have a very good command over English language. I know basic drafting, good drafting, whatever is required to start with my practice. And I used to solve legal questions online. There are many websites wherein general public put their legal questions or legal problems they are facing, they put questions. So I used to solve those questions free of cost online during my college days. I kept on doing that. And in 2017, as soon as I got my certificate, I started practice, and right at the time when I got my sanat, I got a family case, domestic violence. Okay. So that is the beginning of my career in 2017. During this time, LawSikho kept on sending me articles, all those things. And for the purpose of resolving my cases in the court, I also started reading articles pertaining to the subject. So that time I understood that yes, LawSikho is very active, like blog, iPleaders blog. So those articles I started reading, and I started getting more and more knowledge in the field. So that was the time when I decided that yes, I should get enrolled with LawSikho. After I joined LawSikho, I came to know about in-depth real estate laws. What are the real estate laws? Okay, I had attended a few sessions of insurance banking, and they have got a banking and finance diploma, 1 year. Okay. So that also I attended, and from there also I came to know about a lot of things. I attended a lot of sessions of merger and acquisition. So I came to know about what are the considerations or what are the due diligences, legal compliances required for merger and acquisition. And then LawSikho has got NCLT practice related courses and IBC courses. Okay, so I attended a few sessions, and then I got study material for those. And with all these things, whenever any inquiry came, okay, any clients inquired with us, we would give them basic minimum information on the phone, and they would get satisfied with our answer. And if they are in a particular situation, so they will tell us that my situation is such, can we do something? So we would tell them, yes, we can do this. So they would come to us. So because of LawSikho's courses, my insurance banking finance practice got upgraded. Because of networking also, a lot of cases came. Commercial Courts Act, under the Commercial Courts Act, commercial cases, commercial suits, we started filing because they are having courses.
Right.
So all these cases started coming to us because of LawSikho and networking. So LawSikho would always tell all the students, irrespective of the courses that they are doing, that you should connect with other advocates in the other field. We also got connected with other fellow advocates who are doing the same course. Like for example, I am a Master Access student. There is a course called as Master Access.
Yes.
There are plenty of students in Mumbai also who have joined this Master Access. Because of that, we got introduced to them. Now there is one taxation practicing lawyer. Okay, he was a chartered accountant who became an advocate and started practicing litigation matter related to GST and income tax. So we became friends. And then whenever a banking matter came, he would call me. Something, and he also asked me and requested me that if you get a income tax related complicated matter, you refer my name. That way it happened. After I started pursuing courses with LawSikho, every now and then they would say that your presence should be seen by the people, and until unless you make your presence felt on the social media, people will not come to know about your good work, your capabilities, your professional ability. You should start appearing in social media, post something which you have the knowledge about. So I started doing that. I created a page and then I started posting articles. I started joining various groups. LawSikho alumni group is there.
Right.
So such groups I started joining, and then I started interacting with the fellow members of LinkedIn. So slowly and steadily I started getting references and all those things. We don't believe in numbers. Like if we have 100 cases in a month, we are very busy and successful. I don't believe in that. And to be very honest with you, thanks to LawSikho, we charge a premium fees.
Okay.
We don't compete with anybody in terms of fees. I want to tell you in how many states we have already appeared because of networking.
Okay.
And this networking idea was given by Ramanuj and Abhyuday, of course. Habib sir used to be the mentor in AOR course earlier. I was little nervous. Maybe my preparation was not up to the mark. So I had a session with her, and then she explained to me that it is a normal thought that comes into our mind, but you can do it. And since you are a practicing advocate, you have been practicing on your own for the last 7-8 years.
Right.
So I think you should take the plunge and have confidence in yourself. And she gave us good tips. So that was a very good interaction from her as a mentor. So fantastic experience, and then I have already appeared now, awaiting the results, hoping that I will become an AOR, hopefully. A lot of candidates who are, after attending boot camp, they contact me on LinkedIn and they ask a question. One common question is whether this course is worth the money that they are charging. And I always tell in every boot camp that I have appeared that this is not the course money that you are spending. You are investing in yourself, and this is a one-time investment which will keep giving you lifetime returns like a royalty. After acquiring that skill, you will keep earning money on that particular core skill, what you have developed. It is the cost of acquiring that skill. Once you have acquired that, you will keep using that for the rest of your life, and you will keep earning money. I am very happy that LawSikho has started with something like this. This kind of initiative was required, not only for the LawSikho but more for the students of LawSikho who have grown in the profession. They are growing in the profession.
Right.
So that would give a good boost and good image. This will definitely create a good image, not only for the students of LawSikho, also for LawSikho.